Is the bull market already ending at $108,000 as we predicted it 1 month ago as a local top for Bitcoin, or can we expect that we will see an aggressive reversal exactly from this price level now? Let me talk about this as quickly as possible because I'm traveling right now. I just found this very quiet and quick spot to record a video before I have to continue my travels. But now let's not speak too much as the Bitcoin price is pumping during my video right now, and I need to let you know the exact price targets to keep an eye on to know where the Bitcoin price will move within the next couple of days, as well as I will let you know exactly when I will scale up my trade or when I will take profits or open a potential new scalp long position. Guys, one thing that I want to say, I hope you had a very nice holiday, and as well as I think everyone is already telling you, I wish you an amazing new year already in advance. I hope you have a great start to it. And besides this, I also Bitcoin hope will have one. But to be honest, it is looking a little bit dangerous right now. What we already know, and I have to tell you guys, we are releasing a few very beautiful and strong indicators in my free trading community currently. Crypto Trades Hub, you can already get access to leaderboard prizes worth over $20,000 a month, everything for free. You can exchange your opinions with others. On top of that, you are now gaining access to these very important indicators. I will use the support and resistance. I mean, you can see how beautifully also this indicator showed us exactly at the all-time high of $108,000. It printed it with the exact all-time high for hourly candle. It printed this important resistance as well as it printed this important support when we wick down to the $91,000 level. This support is being held now as well very beautifully. And now we have a beautiful combination of things coming in hand here for Bitcoin. We have a beautiful falling wedge that is being supported by our support and resistance area over here. On top of that, we have a very low RSI at the moment, which could potentially form a bullish divergence. I mean, as you can see also with the indicator you get completely for free in Crypto Trades Hub, you can see it's printing you here beautiful, a bullish divergence. It's the mean reversion indicator. You can see after that we see a massive beautiful pump. I mean, if we are taking a look here at this bearish divergence, we see a beautiful correction afterwards. It always depends on the time frames, and if you're using this in correlation with something else, I would never only use this signal as a single trade, but it can actually be a very good indication, as well as you can see the mean reversion indicator is right now printing a blue candle as we are speaking. So if this candle closes and this candle closes blue, this will be a bullish indicator as well on top of what is happening with the RSI in general. So keep an eye on that if you have access to it for free. But even without that, it is pretty simple what to keep an eye on. First of all, the $91,500 level. It's our most important horizontal support and resistance line currently, and it will also define if this falling wedge here can successfully break to the upside. As for a successful breakout for this falling wedge, we would need to see a break above the $95,000 level. If this occurs with a 4-hourly and especially with a daily candle, I personally expect that Bitcoin will once again try to retest the 0.618 Fibonacci retracement level, which for me would be the perfect opportunity to take some more profits off this current short trade. As I scaled it up quite aggressively, we got rejected from the 0.5, but I'm never a fan of sticking in positions all too long, especially when the narrative for the market changes. Why did we even see this bigger correction? I mean, first of all, we cannot forget that Bitcoin actually pumped from $15,000 all the way up to $108,000 within almost only 1 year. So we need to keep that in mind. First of all, that bigger corrections are something absolutely normal that we saw in every bull run and that we will also see in this current bull run. One thing that I think led to a little bit FUD or a little bit of fear, better to say, in the market is for sure the upcoming MiCA regulation in Europe. I mean, as we know, USDT will be forbidden on regulated exchanges in the EU, as well as we hear some not so great news from Elon Musk and Trump. There's a lot of people, I mean, is it going to come this way or not? There is a few people that are speculating that Trump and Elon Musk will not get along so well as everyone thought in the beginning, which now people are interpreting a little bit as a potential problem also for the cryptocurrency plans that they had more or less developed together or wanted to develop together, right? that these might be delayed in a case where Trump and Elon Musk are not working as closely together as we originally expected, because there are some different opinions that they have, and that could lead to some, just different opinions for both of them, which could lead to a less sophisticated cooperation of them both. But in general, this is pure speculation, but as you know, speculation can also lead to a little bit of fear. So now, as we have already seen the impact of these two speculative problems for the cryptocurrency space, being EUSDT, being that Elon Musk and Trump might not get along as well as everyone thought, which is right now still pure speculation, to be honest, but it's just what people are posting online, and this is at the end what counts. What are the emotions of the people, right? This has impact on the market, so you always need to look out for that as well. But in general, it is pretty simple what to keep an eye on. If we are falling below the $91,500 level approximately, for me this would be a very, very clear sign, especially as the RSI and mean reversion indicator is recovering quite quickly right now with this relatively small pump. Actually, we already have some significant downside on the RSI now, again only with this small pump that we are seeing right now live in this recording. I have to be honest, I definitely expect that Bitcoin might need to retrace lower on the weekly time frame, and we might see the scenario of the $76,000 as a start for the next year, before then reversing to the upside and completing $150,000, $180,000, $200,000 till the end of 2025, right? So let's keep an eye on the smaller time frames. As you know, it's very simple. It's the 91,500, and we are actually bouncing beautifully from this support in combination with the RSI, but we need to just keep this in mind. And as long as Bitcoin is not breaking above, as I already told you guys, $95,000 with a 4-hourly, in the best case with a daily close, I will not take any additional profits from my trade, and I still expect that the bearish scenario can play out, because this break above the 95,000 would not even guarantee us to reach a new all-time high. For this, we will still need to get past the 0.618 Fibonacci retracement level, which right now, let's take a look where it is currently, which is right now still at the $101,000 to $102,000 level. So as long as we are not breaking this $101,000 to $102,000 level to the upside, Bitcoin can actually quickly reach a new all-time high from these prices here now. What I can tell you guys, if we see a bullish break, I will potentially jump into a scalp long position, to be honest, that I would then scale up aggressively if we break through the 0.618. In the same time, I would start scaling out of my short positions and shifting these profits in a new scalp long. But this is still in the future. If you want to stay up to date besides my videos with my trade decisions, just make sure you have an account on Levex, no matter if it's with my affiliate link or not. Just go to Crypto Mo. You can just look me up. You can just visit my profile, you can follow me, and from there you will get exclusive updates completely for free. And on top of that, you can follow my trades completely live, so you can see where's my current entry. Did I realize more profits? Did I scale up the trade? Did I scale down the trade? No matter if I upload a video or not, I can keep you up to date here from my phone very, very easily. And I can also post posts here. 7 days ago, I, for example, told you that I scaled up the short position once again. So you don't miss out on any of these decisions, even if I'm not uploading a video, because I don't deem the current price movements relevant enough to actually upload a video. But right now it definitely is. And besides this, I will also put you the link for Crypto Trades Hub in the video description. You can get access to the free indicators and to video tutorials, and you can also exchange your opinion with others, which is always very helpful. I will become more active in Crypto Trades Hub from the next year starting again as well, because I just think the solution cannot be like I'm doing it for 3 months now, that I'm just telling you every single entry, every single opening price. I know it's going well. I know we have been on a massive win streak for 4 months now almost, since I'm back to uploading actively videos or semi-actively videos. I want that you guys can make your decisions on your own, and then that you can actually profitably trade with your own strategy, adapted to your own capital amount that you have available, and especially also adapted to your own risk behavior, right? And all of this crypto trades hub stuff, the indicators, the video tutorials, all of this is meant to help you on your journey, because for me personally, I'm not really interested in uploading a video every day to tell you exactly what I think and to tell you exactly when to open a trade and to tell you when to exactly close a trade, because if this is everything you pretty much do and you're not developing your trading skills yourself or continue to develop your trading skills, what is going to happen if I maybe disappear or if I whatever? What will you do then? Then you cannot trade anymore, because you always only were able to trade when I told you on Levex that I'm opening a short trade now or I'm opening a long trade. This cannot be the goal of this channel, and it was never the goal. So that is why I will definitely restart the Crypto Trades Hub community. It is open again right now. You can join completely for free. You just connect with Discord. There's also a tutorial here on how to join. You can make use of the indicators. You can make use of sharing your ideas and opinions with others and getting feedback of it. You can make use of the $7,500 that we give away on Levex for the Discord users every month, as well as we have leaderboard prizes for BitCat and Femex. And yeah, it's completely for free. You can just make use of it. You are just benefiting more and more without any additional cost, and I'm definitely looking to develop the Crypto Trades Hub into something where we at the end will have many different indicators depending on what kind of strategies you want. Simple supporting indicators all the way up to full buy and sell signal indicators, which I'm not a fan of at all, to be honest, but we might release one anyways, although I think these things most of the time only work specifically for a bull run or a bear market. You can back test these indicators for specific time periods in the market, but if you as a trader are not able to spot these specific periods, even such an indicator will lead to a great loss for you. So everything is based around the fact that everyone needs to continue learning, and this is, I think, the best way to do it, to be honest, and that's why I'm rebranding and opening up my Discord community completely for free once again, because this is just the best way of on how people can learn and how people can get better and can understand their own risk management and their own risk behavior better than just copying someone else all the time, which is also fine. You can continue doing it. I will continue to share my trades, my updates and everything like this. And one thing that I also wanted to mention, people are always asking me sometimes, guys, if you still have VPET, if you're holding any VLaunch, keep in mind that there is projects launching. After projects launching, we have beautiful IDOs, we have beautiful free engage to earn rounds that you can take part in. I mean, we have AI Nexus, we have a couple of more. We had Palm, TGE that we supported. Let's see if we're just scrolling up here. We have now Astranova. There's more and more stuff coming, guys, and it's pretty much just completely free access for you. If you have VPET, if you have them staked, you just always get free access, especially in a bull market, to new projects that can potentially still perform extremely well because they are just pretty much kicking off and they are not fully listed on any exchange yet. And especially with the engage to earn, where you don't even need to invest your own money to get a hold of token supply for these projects. It's just for free, guys. Make use of it. And I sometimes get a comment if we're still working on it. Guys, it's been going on over and over, as you can see. New project announcement, bigger. We have more and more projects launching every pretty much month. So make use of it, especially if you have VPET. It's something that you should definitely not sleep on, in my opinion, during these bull market phases. But now, guys, keep an eye on the $95,000 level. If we break it to the upside, expect Bitcoin to reach the 0.618. Expect me to take more profits off my short trade. And if we are at the 0.618, I will upload a new video to tell you how it's looking. If it's looking like we are breaking it to the upside to reach a new all-time high then afterwards, or if it's looking like we're getting rejected again. And this bullish scenario is anyways only something to worry about if Bitcoin does not break below the $91,500 in the next 24 to 48 hours, because then we definitely need to be prepared that we will start with a bearish note into the next year. But now, guys, I hope you enjoyed. Leave a like, subscribe, activate the bell. We are going to see us in the next one. Till then, bye.